Welcome to the StatTree Video Help module for package or library installation. To run tests on your data in R, you may need to install a package from a programmer's repository such as CRAN or GitHub. This can be accomplished with a simple command in RStudio. You first need to find a package that will run the needed program within R for a given test. Most often this requires a Google search. Once you have located the package in the repository, copy down the name of the package. In the R terminal in RStudio, type the command install.package, open parentheses, open quote, package name, close quote, close parentheses, at the R prompt, where package name represents the name of the package. Hit enter. This package adding process takes some time. Pay attention to the terminal pane. Here will be displayed any messages, including errors if the package cannot be installed. The terminal may also output any recommendations for restarting the kernel. Your package is now in the R environment as a library ready for use.